Alright, so you've booked your first cruise. You're thinking about endless buffets, turquoise water, fancy formal night action. It's supposed to be the perfect all-inclusive vacation, right? Wrong, so wrong. There's a hidden world of rules and costs. These are the mistakes. The traps. They can turn your dream trip into a financial nightmare. Stuff the cruise lines leave out of their brochures, stuff that catches first-timers off guard. I'm going to reveal the phone mistake that charged one couple $847. Let's dive in. 12 secrets cruise lines don't tell you. Okay, secret number 1. This is the absolute monster that catches everyone: your phone. On the ship, your phone latches to a maritime network. Think its own cell tower, with astronomical rates. Every photo upload, every email sync, every app refreshing in the background can be billed $15 to $20 per megabyte. A first-time couple video called the kids, shared a few clips, sparingly. Their bill at home? $847. It overshadowed their entire vacation. The moment your foot hits the deck, put your phone in airplane mode. Don't power off, airplane mode, then manually turn Wi-Fi back on. Either buy the ship's Wi-Fi package, pricey but cheaper than roaming, or wait for port Wi-Fi and do your uploads there. Never trust your cellular plan at sea. Airplane mode is your only friend. It's the difference between a great trip and an $847 mistake. Do this the second you board. Cruise tips, cruise insider, first-time cruiser. Protect your wallet with that one tap. Alright, secret number 2. Your cabin can make or break your week. Noise, motion, and constant disruption if you pick wrong. Avoid the extreme front and the lowest decks, near anchors and bow thrusters. At 6 a.m., docking rattles and grinding will be your alarm clock. You can't turn off. Above nightclubs or 24-hour casinos, expect bass until 3 a.m. Below the pool, scraping chairs at dawn. Be a detective. Check above, below, and next to you. Avoid theaters, bars, galleys, kids clubs. Sweet spot. Midship for stability. Middle decks on a tall ship. Aim for deck 7 or 8. Sandwiched between cabin decks for noise buffer. It might cost a little more, but priceless sleep and less motion sickness. Midship, middle decks, lock it in. First-time cruisers, don't let cabin noise ruin your vacation. Beat. Okay, so this one, they call it the pier runner sprint of shame for a reason. The ship waits for no one. That time isn't a suggestion, it's a hard deadline. Make your own deadline. Be back 30 minutes early. If it says 4:30, you're back by 4. No exceptions. Miss the ship, and you're paying for last-minute flights, hotels, taxis, without your luggage, easily $1,000 to $2,000. It's the difference between a calm stroll and a panic sprint. Your feet should be on the pier, headed to the gangway, 30 minutes early. Build a buffer for traffic, getting lost, that last-minute stop, protect your vacation. Alright, let's talk about food. Modern ships have incredible specialty restaurants, and they're extremely popular. First-timers wait until day 2 or 3 and here, we're fully committed for the entire voyage. Sold out, the moment you book your cruise, or within 24 hours. Go online and reserve specialty dining. Most lines open months in advance. Lock in primetime slots before others even pack. Treat it like concert tickets when the sale opens. Secure your spot. 5 minutes today saves you a week of wish we had. Don't wait for embarkation, book now. So, your ship docks. Book with the ship for a wait guarantee, or go indie to save money and gain flexibility. If a ship tour runs late, the ship will wait. That's the big advantage. Downside, higher price and larger groups. Indie tours are cheaper, smaller, often more authentic. But if you're late, the ship will not wait. You're on your own. Long distance? Book with the ship. Nearby beach? Indie can be great. Always end indie tours at least 1 hour, preferably 90 minutes before all aboard. If you're finding these secrets helpful, smash that subscribe button. I post cruise tips and travel hacks every week that save you money and stress. Cruise hacks, vacation planning, first-time cruiser, you're in the right place. Back to it. Build buffers and choose smart for peace of mind. Okay, the luggage. You're picturing red carpet. Reality. Shorts and tees most days. Multiple suits, dresses, shoes. It eats space and energy. Most 7-nighters have 1, maybe 2, formal nights. Pack 1 killer outfit. That's it. No one's judging. Everyone's on vacation. You'll thank yourself when you glide through embarkation. Keep it simple. Keep it light. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Automatic gratuities run about $14 to $18 per person per day. A couple on 7 nights, around $252. Families, over 500. Prepay to bake it into your budget and lock the rate. Only adjust at guest services for major unresolved issues. Carry small bills to tip exceptional crew directly. Plan ahead. Avoid sticker shock. This is a masterclass in cruise psychology. It sounds amazing, unlimited drinks, but for most people, it's a bad deal. With a $70–80 daily package, you need 6 to 7 alcoholic drinks a day just to break even. On port days, you'll drink less on board. Casual drinkers pay less, a la carte. Be honest about your habits. Know your numbers before you click buy. Secret number 9. Don't waste money in the terminal. The buffet on board is open and prepaid. Board, drop your bag, and go straight to the buffet. Start your vacation with abundance, not a $50 sandwich. Eat on board, it's better and already paid for. This one's about the person who makes the magic happen. Your cabin steward learns your rhythm and elevates your stay. Tip them directly in cash on day 1. A small upfront thank you goes a long way. You'll feel the difference. Names, little touches, VIP service. Budget for it. It's the best ROI on board. This is for the pool loungers. The main pool becomes a war zone by midday. Hit the pool 7 to 9 a.m. or after 4 p.m. for space and serenity. Use midday for gym, shows, or a nap, then strike when crowds thin. Work smarter, even on vacation. The cruise is over. One last hurdle. Tagged luggage means convenience but you wait. Self-assist means freedom if you can handle your bags. Early flight? Self-assist is non-negotiable. Late flight or driving? Tagged can be easier. Choose wisely to end on a high note. 12 secrets. 12 mistakes you can now avoid. This is about empowering you. Which secret surprised you most? Phone roaming, drink package math. Drop a comment below. Planning your first cruise? Watch my complete cruise packing guide next. Thanks for watching. Safe travels. And I'll see you in the next video. Hit subscribe so you never miss a money-saving cruise tip from Travel Tips and FAQ.